Hi, Robera Nero. Wait for me at the next location.
Introducing Robera Neo, the world's first iVision and GPS-powered smart golf cart. Combining GPS maps and 3D vision, Robera Neo automatically detects and navigates around fairway obstacles, including sand traps, bushes, and people, with precise accuracy. Just wave your hand, and your Robera Neo awakens, ready to transform your game. Finished your shot? One tap reroutes your cart instantly. No backtracking, just pure focus on your game. And while you swing, Robera is already calculating the optimal path to your next position. It doesn't just follow, it anticipates. Swing. Robera backs up. It captures every swing. Analyze and replay your shots anytime, anywhere, and take your game to the next level. Watch as it conquers 25-degree slopes and deep rough without hesitation.
Hello, Robera Nero. How many yards to the green?
120 yards.
Need directions? Just say,
Hi, Robera. Wait for me at the green.
and it navigates the safest route. Wait for you around putting surface, avoiding every fairway hazard along the way. With a one-button remote summon, Robera returns to you within 100 meters. Even through there are obstacles like trees, sand traps. Whether you're an everyday golfer or managing a full course, Robera Neo offers versions tailored to your needs. From fairway navigation to comprehensive course management, we've got you covered. A backup today and experience the game like you never did before.